Hello, welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering. Good ventilation is the key to comfort, health, and energy efficiency in any building. But how do you choose the right mechanical ventilation fan for your space? Let's break it down step by step. These steps are: 1. Identify your space. 2. Determine the airflow and pressure needs. 3. Consider airstream contaminants. 4. Factors in operation requirements. 5. Choose the right fan type. 6. Review safety, drive, and control. Mechanical ventilation fans remove stale air, control humidity, eliminate odors, and bring in fresh air. Choosing the wrong fan can result in poor air quality, wasted energy, and higher costs. So let's get it right. Step 1. Identify your space. First, identify where the fan will be used. A bathroom, kitchen, office, warehouse, or industrial plant all have different airflow requirements. For example, a small bathroom might need a simple exhaust fan, while a large commercial space may need a powerful axial or centrifugal fan. Step 2. Determine airflow and pressure needs. Next, calculate the airflow requirement, usually measured in CFM, cubic feet per minute. You'll need enough capacity to exchange the air in the room several times per hour. As a rule of thumb, bathrooms need at least 8 air changes per hour, kitchens 15, and workshops even higher. Pressure resistance. Determine the system's pressure drop, which is influenced by duct length, bends, and filters. Axial fans are for low pressure, short duct runs applications, while centrifugal fans are better for higher pressure, longer ducts systems. Step 3. Consider airstream contaminants. Dust, fumes, moisture. Use a backward inclined or radial centrifugal fan for light dust, fumes, or moisture. High particulate loads. A radial centrifugal fan is preferred when there's a high load of dust or when material is being handled. Corrosive or flammable materials. Select fans made of corrosion-resistant materials, for example, stainless steel, fiberglass, or with protective coatings. For flammable or explosive materials, ensure the fan construction is spark-resistant and explosion-proof where necessary. Step 4. Factor in operational requirements. Continuous versus intermittent operation. Choose between a fan that runs continuously at a low rate for constant air exchange or an intermittent fan that boosts during high humidity and then turns off. Noise levels. Noise is a big factor, especially in homes and offices. Check the fan's decibel rating. Also, look for energy-efficient fans with variable speed drives or EC motors. They save electricity and last longer. Mounting. Select a fan suitable for ceiling, wall, or glass mounting, depending on your space and installation needs. 5. Choose the right fan type. Now, pick the right fan type. Axial fans, good for large volumes of air with low pressure drop, such as short ventilation ducts. Centrifugal fans, more versatile, suited for high static pressures, longer duct runs, and when handling particulates. Backward inclined, curved for low to moderate pressure. Radial for high pressures and handling heavy particulate loads. Mixed flow fans combine both advantages for efficiency and quiet operation. 6. Review safety, drive, and controls. Safety. Ensure the fan has appropriate safety features and accessories for your application. Drive arrangement. Consider the fan's drive arrangement, for example, belt drive versus direct drive, and power source. Controls. Select fans with controls that match your needs, such as timers, motion sensors, or automatic humidity sensors. So, here's a quick recap. 1. Identify your space. 2. Determine the airflow and pressure needs. 3. Consider airstream contaminants. 4. Factors in operation requirements. 5. Choose the right fan type. 6. Review safety, drive, and control. Follow these steps, and you'll always choose the right mechanical ventilation fan. Good air, good health, good living. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning a ventilation upgrade. See you next video.